Toyota Fortuner, installed Optimus brand Android head unit, 8256, 10 inches, 2K screen resolution with 360 camera. Ito yung ating front camera. Ito yung ating side camera. Ito yung rear camera. And another side camera. Optimus brand Android head unit, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 10 inches. Ayan. Yung ating head unit, nakalink siya or connected siya sa ating steering wheel control. Try natin, volume up. Ayan. Volume down. Try din natin yung next track and previous track niya. Play tayo sa YouTube ng music. Volume up, volume down, next track, previous track. Yung ating Android head unit with 360 camera, meron siyang auto trigger na tinatawag within 20 kph below. Pag nag-signal light ka, halimbawa left signal light, right signal light, hazard, then priority niya po yung reverse. Yan. Accurate yung mga linya natin. Yung ating Android head unit, meron siyang online voice command under ni Google Assistant. Connected din siya sa ating steering wheel control, yung voice. Try natin. I want to go SM Grand Central. Sa online voice command, which is Google Assistant, pwede ka magbigay ng specific voice command. So siya na yung kukuha ng route through Google Maps. Pwede rin siya gamitin sa ibang mga application tulad ni YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, basta under ni Google application. Halimbawa, play James Blunt on YouTube. Siya na yung kukuha ng playlist ni James Blunt sa YouTube. Ayan. Yan, James Blunt. Then, try natin yung steering wheel control. Volume up, volume down. Next track. Next track. Previous track. Yan. Yung Android head unit natin, meron siyang Google Play Store kung gusto mo pang mag-download ng ibang applications. Meron siyang Google Maps, YouTube, Spotify. Meron siyang Waze, TikTok, Netflix. Meron din siyang built-in DSP. Ayan. Optimus brand Android head unit, 2K screen resolution with 360 camera, 8256 storage, 10 inches pong screen size. Thank you.